Vitamin D is one of the most important vitamin in our body, which our body utilizes to maintain normal bone and joint health as well as muscle health. Vitamin D is also plays a very important role in maintaining a proper nervous system as well as your immune system as well. Common signs of vitamin D deficiency is frequent fatigue, bone pains, joint pains, multiple joint pains, and muscle ache, muscle cramps, continuous fatigue, and loss of your quality of life. It also affects your brain in a way. There will be a lot of mood changes like depression as well. This treatment of this vitamin D deficiency involves simple medication along with change in your lifestyle, especially having a food which is enriched with vitamin D and a little bit of sun exposure. Check your vitamin D levels regularly, maintain your vitamin D levels properly for having a healthy and happier bone life.